a memory fade, where the laughter and the music play. Velvet drapes now torn and thin, only I remain. Where do I begin? They pack the chairs, they dim the lights, leaving me alone through endless nights. My metal skin averting you, but 3 brave bulbs still shine for you. Dust motes dance in pale moonbeams, whispering forgotten dreams. Should I flicker, fade and cease? Join the silence, find my peace. But 3 bulbs left and I'm still throwing a party for the ghosts and the echoes wild and hearted. Oxidized and green, but my light won't bend this tarnished brass. A party without end. I recall the clinking glass, toast to futures built to last. The bride's white veil, a gentle sway, slow dances at the close of day. Champagne bubbles, sweet and bright, reflecting in my polished light. Now the silence screams so loud, lost within this lonely crowd. A ceiling tile begins to fall, I flinch and sway. I give my all to hold my ground, to stand up tall against the whispers down the hall. 'Cause 3 bulbs left and I'm still throwing a party for the ghosts and the echoes wild and heartache. Oxidized and green, but my light won't bend this tarnished brass. A party without end. This patina, a badge I wear, a testament to what was there. Each green verdigris, a story told, more precious now than purest gold. Yeah, 3 bulbs left and I'm still throwing a party for the dust, for the quiet, for no one truly oxidized and green, but my life